Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into how you can divide in Microsoft Excel. So first things first, we've got some numbers in column A and some numbers in column B, and what I'm going to do is simply divide these two together to get my result. So first things first, what I'm going to do is equals, then I'm going to select the cell A2, and then in order to carry out divide in Excel, you have to use the slash symbol, and then we'll simply divide it by the second number, which is 2, so we'll divide 6 by 2, and as easy as that, we've then got our result, which is obviously 3. And then what you can simply do to then get the remaining results for the divided numbers is just drag down on the right hand corner, and we can see here for row 3 we've got the divided number is equal to 4.5, and row 4 the divided number is equal to 5. So yeah, very easy to use and very useful to do when you're trying to carry out some statistics and get some figures in regards to numbers being divided. And yeah, very easy and handy to do. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.